Welcome. I'm not going to drag this video out and get right to the point. In today's world, men have become weaker, and that needs to be corrected. And today, I'm going to give you 7 lessons from the Stoics to improve your life, taking control of your life. Taking control of your life. The Stoic way means embracing practical wisdom and adopting a resilient mindset. As a Stoic man, you understand that most worries are unnecessary and waste your precious time and energy. Instead of being overwhelmed by life's challenges, you ask yourself, what's within my control? And focus on the aspects you can influence. As you navigate life's complexities, remember these Stoic principles to become your best self. 1. Embrace the dichotomy of control. Identify what is within your power and what lies beyond your control. Let go of worries about external events and focus on your choices and actions. 2. Cultivate inner strength. Real strength lies in gentleness, humility, and self-control. Avoid giving in to anger and emotional outbursts. Choose rational and collected actions over reactive responses. 3. Simplify your life. Life's rules are simple yet powerful. Act decisively, communicate clearly, stay focused on what matters, and be assertive without being aggressive. Balance achievement with meaningful connections. 4. Let go of worries. Reframe your perspective on challenges. Trust that you have the strength to overcome obstacles and thrive. Focus on the present moment and have faith in your ability to navigate life's ups and downs. 5. Value your attention. Guard your attention as a valuable asset. Be intentional about how you allocate your time and mental energy. Avoid distractions and prioritize meaningful pursuits. 6. Practice gratitude. Find happiness in appreciating what you already have. Avoid falling into the "a little more" trap. Celebrate your achievements and be content with what you've accomplished. 7. Take control of your mind. You have the power to control your thoughts and reactions. Cultivate self-awareness and use your mind as a powerful tool to shape your life positively. As a Stoic man, you strive for inner tranquility, wisdom, and virtue. By applying these Stoic principles, you will navigate life's challenges with resilience and lead a fulfilled and purposeful existence. Remember, you are the master of your mind and the captain of your life's journey.